What is jicama? Jicama is a comestible round, fleshy, taproot vegetable instinctive to Mexico, sometimes stated as the Mexican potato, Mexican turnip, Mexican yam or yam bean, Mexican water chestnut, Chinese potato, and leaf cup. What are the types of jicamas? Jicama belongs to the legume family, Fabaceae. 5 different kinds of Pachyrrhiza species exist. However, the popular ones include only 3, Pachyrrhiza erosus, Mexican yam bean, Pachyrrhiza tuberosus, Amazonian yam bean, Jicama, and Pachyrrhiza ahipa, Andean yam bean. Pachyrrhiza tuberosus is larger than P. erosus. Both are distinguished based on the size of tubers. Jicama de agua and Jicama de leche are 2 other principal varieties that are differentiated based on their internal juice. Jicama de agua is round and produces clear juice, while Jicama de leche has a more taper shape with a milky white juice. How to grow and harvest. Jicama is commercially grown in Hawaii, Mexico, Puerto Rico, and the hot regions of the southwest United States. Jicama is usually planted via seeds. It grows perfectly in a warm climate with moderate rain. However, chill can be sensitive for the plant. 5 to 9 months are required for growth before harvest, and the seed is used for its plantation. However, it requires only 3 months to make mature roots when grown through the whole, small roots. It has been seen that the yield of the plant enhances after the removal of the flowers. The gigantic taproot is the only edible thing in jicama. Therefore, the stems, seeds, pods, and leaves are noxious and must be removed. What is the appearance and taste of jicama? The appearance of jicama is like a light brown beet from outside, while it seems like a raw potato from the inside. However, it doesn't taste like a potato. Instead, it has a crisp, starchy, and slightly sweet taste like an apple. However, if you cut jicama, it won't brown like an apple. Where can I buy jicama? Jicama is readily available throughout the year. You can easily find jicama in the grocery stores and buy online through Amazon, Walmart, and other platforms. You can get fresh ones next to root vegetables, including turnip, potato, or cassava. You can also get jicama in the form of mixed salads or slices. However, you can find these forms in the refrigerator, as the jicama is stored after peeling off the skin and it requires a lower temperature for storage. It's essential to look for fresh jicama with firm and thin-skinned tubers having no bruises, discoloration, mold, or cracks. Though it grows to more significant sizes of more than 5 pounds, it's preferred to use smaller jicama under 4 pounds. Smaller ones have better quality. Bigger ones can be very starchy and fibrous, but not sweet or crisp like smaller tubers. How to store jicama. Fresh jicamas are usually stored at an ideal temperature of 12 to 15 degrees Celsius for 4 months. As jicama is sensitive to chill, thus chilling injury can occur at lower temperatures leading to discoloration, loss of texture, or decay. Therefore, it's crucial to keep tubers dry, so they must be free of moisture and storing at lower temperatures or in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks without any wrapping. However, when it's cut, cover it with plastic wrap tightly and refrigerate. You can use them for up to 1 week. You can also refrigerate cooked jicama for 3 days. You can also try my recipes for jicama: jicama tortillas, vegan jicama slaw, jicama chips, baked jicama fries, cucumber jicama salad. How to cook jicama. Take a small, firm, and heavy jicama with smooth skin. Wash and remove the skin and roots. You can use a paring knife to peel off the skin, fully involving the paper-like layer beneath. Make slices that you can easily manage. You can also cut it into sticks, cubes, or even shred it depending upon the kind of recipe you are cooking. You don't need to worry about its oxidation. Jicama does not brown like apples after cutting. So, you can store it too. Nutritional benefits of jicama. 1. Potato brother. Jicama is usually compared to potato because of similar appearance and flesh. However, it contains fewer carbohydrates and is healthier than potatoes. 2. Fiber. Jicama is the best way to get fiber. First, peel and slice a jicama rather than an apple. Then, dip it in nut butter or add in a bowl of salad. It is enriched with fibers that evade constipation, reduces cholesterol, and the prospects of getting heart disease and colon cancer. 3. Vitamin B6. This essential vitamin is a constituent of jicama that supports your nerves and brain, produces red blood cells, and converts protein into energy. 4. Vitamin C. Jicama contains vitamin C, which boosts up your immune system and defends your body against microorganisms. Vitamin C is also suitable for skin and eyes and reduces your body's inflammation, leading to arthritis and other illnesses. 5. Antioxidants. Jicama has numerous antioxidants that reduce cell damage. An adequate number of antioxidants is associated with a lesser risk of diabetes, heart diseases, cancer, and cognitive decline. 6. Prebiotic. Jicama also contains prebiotic fiber, which helps restore your gut microbiota, the good bacteria in your gut. 7. Aids in hydration. Jicama consists of 85% of water. So you can use it to stay hydrated when it's hot outside. 8. Good for blood sugar. Jicama is a secure snack if you are observing your insulin and blood glucose. It contains carbs, but produces a lower glycemic load that means your blood glucose levels aren't significantly affected.